In this video, we're going to be showing you how to change your ringtone on your GRP2615. From the home screen, press the center navigation key to open up the menu. Then, go down to Preferences. From there, go to Sounds. Then, use the left and right navigation keys to pick the ringtone that suits you the most. You also have the option to adjust the ring volume as well. Once you have found a ringtone that you like, go ahead and press the Saved soft key. Now your configuration has been saved and you can return to the home screen. And that is how you change the ringtone on your GRP2615.